Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I'll be giving you a review of the Avantlink affiliate program and my experiences with it. I am an active affiliate for Avantlink, and here's actually the inside area of my affiliate stats area within the program. You can see my affiliate earnings over here. It's not too much if you spread it across the year, which is what this report is dated for, but I do also make a full-time income with other programs because I am an affiliate for multiple networks. Here's some of my reports from some other ones that I'm involved with, so I have a lot of experience across the board with this subject. And in this video, I'll just be giving you a quick overview of the Avantlink program, what to know about it, the pros and cons, and just my overall thoughts on it. I've been an affiliate for this program for years, and I do overall like it. So it is legitimate, but there are some things that I'm not the biggest fan of, so I'll also be talking about that. Now, before I do, let me just quickly say that if you are watching this and you're new or perhaps struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help, obviously you can ask me questions in this video in the comments section if you want, but I do recommend that if you need guidance, training, help with creating a successful affiliate business, to check out the resource underneath this video in the description and pinned comment, which will showcase what I consider to be the #1 recommendation to learning affiliate marketing. It's the program that got me to where I am in this business. It has a lot of success stories. It's free to get started with, and it basically teaches you how to build an affiliate business off something that you're very passionate about through a website, through YouTube, and all that sort of stuff. There's more info about it in there. I don't want to talk too much about it. You can check out more info in that link. But getting back to the main point of Avantlink, as a general overview, Avantlink is basically a major affiliate network in the world that basically has a lot of different vendors under it. So Avantlink is like the main program, and there's a lot of vendors that come into it and put up their website with their products so other affiliates can promote that. It's basically like a conglomerate. I think that's the right way to say it. So there's really major programs in companies like REI, for example, which is a huge chain store that sells outdoorsy stuff. That's part of the Avantlink network. That's how I originally got involved with it. But in addition to that, there's a lot of other vendors and companies that mainly that sell stuff in the outdoorsy space that are part of the Avantlink network. So overall, if you're someone that is interested in promoting outdoorsy related kinds of things, you're into some kind of niche that deals with the outdoors, gardening, hiking, that sort of stuff, you'll probably find a bunch of different merchants in the Avantlink marketplace whose products that you can promote. And that actually takes me to the next part, which is showing off the merchants area. So in the merchants area, you're going to see a huge list of people and companies, and you can actually look up the specific vendor. So for me, when I started, I just basically looked up REI, and you will see different stats, whether it be all of them together or a specific company that is part of Avantlink, where you can see how good the program is. Now, I'm personally not familiar with all of these descriptions over here, but I'll just cover the most important ones that I look for when I go over this. So the main thing I look for is the category. So with the REI, which is the second one in the middle over here, it's outdoor and recreation, as you can see on the topic, and the commission type is what they pay you, and the commission rate is what I look for. It's up to 5%. You can sign up with companies that offer you up to 15%. So that's something that I've seen before. Then the sales volume showcases how often people buy from the site when they visit it. And if this is basically up to the top, which it is over here, that indicates that a lot of people buy products from REI. It's one of the reasons why I promote the products there. And the conversion rate shows you what the average conversion rate is when people visit the site. When like out of 100 people, 1.62 buy something. I'm not sure about the reversal rate, but the average sales amount is usually when people visit this particular site, they may buy more than one product. So that's like a sum of it, and it just basically says that there's people that buy more than one thing. So if you promote, let's say, one product through Avantlink and then people visit it, but it's a popular place and they see something else in the store that they've clicked your affiliate link through and they buy some other things, you can get commissions for that as well, which is another huge bonus. And so earnings per click, I don't pay attention to that, but these are the main things that I look for. And again, you can look at it overall as an index. I find it a bit too much of a spreadsheet kind of thing, which I'm really not the biggest fan of. It's one of the cons that I see. I wish it could be a little bit more organized like in ClickBank, but you know what? It is what it is, and it doesn't take away from the fact that in terms of pros, The company is legitimate. They've always paid me on time. They are very honest and transparent about their services. There's a lot of things that you can promote in the outdoorsy space, a lot of different options, vendors, affiliates, and products. And overall, it's one of the major legitimate networks that I would recommend doing business with if you're interested in promoting products within this sphere, the outdoorsy sphere, that is. Now, when it comes to the cons of Avantlink, obviously this to me at least is not something I'm the biggest fan of, although I understand why it's like that. That's the first thing. It's a little bit, it's not disorganized, but it's like all cramped together and a little bit too old school for me. I wish it was a little bit easier to read. And the second thing is the affiliate links are a little bit annoying to make. I have a separate video that I will leave a link to below, which actually covers how to create Avantlink affiliate links, because that's something that I've seen a lot of people get confused about, including myself when I was starting with it. But basically, you have to go to the custom link builder, you have to fill in a bunch of stuff to get a custom link and then use that. And so that's a little bit annoying. I wish it was a little bit easier, but again, it doesn't take away from the fact that the program is legitimate. So those are the cons that I personally see, but I would say that they are overshadowed by the pros because Avantlink is a legitimate network. And in terms of how I personally recommend promoting stuff in Avantlink, there's basically 3 avenues that I go through. It's blogging, where I promote the products through like a blog post where I review a popular product and then link it to whatever store that's my affiliate link that's associated with Avantlink. So for example, I'll link people to an REI, but that's an affiliate link that takes them to the REI official website, but that's coded with my affiliate link. And then I'll do the same thing for YouTube. I'll do the same thing for Pinterest. I mainly do it through YouTube. Here's actually an example of a winter jacket that I promote, and this link here takes people to the Avantlink, the REI page to buy, but this is coded with my affiliate link at the top. And I've actually made a majority of my sales in Avantlink from this short 1 minute 45-second video. This is me and my buddies just just recording me on the phone. So that's how I promote these products. I recommend you do similar stuff as well if you want to do it. I'm just sharing with you my personal style and approach to it. So that overall covers what I wanted to share with regards to Avantlink. It's a very straightforward affiliate network. I like it. I do recommend it. You do have to go through an application process, I believe. I remember because it happened years ago. I don't remember if they still do that, but you do have to go through that. If you get approved, it's something that you have a lot of potential with if you do it correctly. And finally, the last thing I'll say is what I said in the beginning. If you are new or struggling to affiliate marketing, besides commenting below and asking me whatever questions you want, I do recommend that you check out my #1 recommended program for learning affiliate marketing and building a successful business, added in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. Check that out if you're interested. But other than that, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.